Hello, my name is Victoria Gambler, and this is High Level Synthesis with CyberWorkBench. We will be working with the CLI because there's only a limited number of licenses for the GUI of CyberWorkBench, so instead we will use the command line interface. I've edited my bash file to be able to work with the CyberWorkBench and also use Quartus. Alright, to start, so we have a C file, we also have a blib and flib file, we also have our input data, our output data, and the input data as a CLV file, and an output data as a CLV file. Well, the output is actually this one. My apologies. And so since we have our C code, we will use cparse. So cparse average8.c, and CyberWorkBench, or specifically cparse, parses the C code, and since the code is parsed, we will then use bdltran with the flib and blib files. And then next, after that is finished generating, now we will use the functional unit limits of 10 large, 10 middle, and 20 small. And this is running bdltran again to generate the average8 auto flib and the average8 auto fc count. Here's the 4 8-bit adders, and here is the 3 12-bit adders. And so here we are adding these two together. These are two 8-bits, so we need an 8-bit adder. However, to go to the next bit, because it is now the sum is a 9-bit, and so we need a 9-bit adder to add these two 9 bits. However, we do not have a 9-bit adder, so we will instead use the 12-bit adder. And so we need two 12-bit adders. And then next, to add these two 10 bits together, well, we would need a 10-bit adder. However, we do not have a 10-bit adder, so we will instead use the 12-bit adder. So in total, we need 3 12-bit adders. And next we will run Verilog gen after the bdltran specifications. And now that Verilog gen has finished, we have completed high-level synthesis, and we will next move on to logic synthesis. This continuation is the logic synthesis. So we are doing ls scriptgen. And so the synthesis tool we are using is Quartus. And then we're passing in our Verilog code, and these are specs of the Cyclone 5 FPGA device. And then here is our .iff file. And then next, we will run Quartus. And since the .ccl file was generated, we will pass it into Quartus. And Quartus will run. And once it completes, we will be back. Now Quartus logic synthesis has completed. And we have shown that we can do high-level synthesis and logic synthesis through the command line. Thank you and have a good day.